Hey everybody, welcome to Traveling Uke. I'm Brooke. You're watching a really super quick tutorial for Janet Jackson, When I Think of You. There's 2 chords, 1 strum pattern in this lesson. You can strum it really however you want. I will show you my recommended strum pattern. And I'm going to show you what it looks like and sounds like. Janet kind of killed it last night at the Billboard Music Awards. I'm a little bit of a Janet buzz, made a great speech, and she put on a great show. So I wanted to dig up some classic Janet to share with you. So here we go. Ooh, baby, anytime the world gets crazy, you're all I have to do to calm it. It's just think of you. 'Cause when I think of you, baby, nothing else seems to matter. Yeah, when I think of you, baby, all I think about is our love. Janet. All right, it's super easy. The top 2 strings of the 1st fret and the top 2 strings of the 4th fret. Those are your 2 chords. You just switch back and forth between the 2 of those, and you play 1 round of the strum pattern each. The strum pattern is basic strum 2, as I like to call it. You can find that on the channel. There's a full lesson for it. As a reminder, that is down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 down, up. If you want to play a kind of thumb strum, baby, with just your thumb, you do you guys. Whatever's gonna make you happy, and have a little sing along on a fun Monday fun day with Janet and me. If you're curious about what kind of chords these are, the 1st fret chord is A major 7, and the 4th fret chord is E sustain 4. So there's some other options as well. If you want, you can play regular A, regular E. You can play an A major 7 up here, which is barring the 4th fret, and use the 3rd string of the 5th fret. Yeah, just as a note, if you feel more comfortable playing kind of a regular chord. But I think it's pretty easy. So just shuffle back and forth between these 2. When I think of you, baby. Right, have fun with that one. It's just a little quick ditty for your Monday, or for whatever day of the week you're watching this. Subscribe, like, share, say hello below, and I'll see you next time with another tutorial. Ciao!